Hi, it's Vic. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making this cook's apron card. So this is a cut and file by Laurie Whitlock. So I've just gone ahead and cut this out using my Silhouette Cameo machine. And I've used some really pretty papers. So this is their paper pad. It is by First Edition and it's called Oh So Sweet. So I'll just quickly show you some of the papers you get in this paper pad. And I'll leave a link down below in the description box if you want to purchase one. It's so sweet and it's perfect for baking, anything like that. So I thought it would be perfect for the card I'm making today. So getting back to the card, I've just pulled out my scoreboard, so I'm going to go ahead and just make a score line. There is a tiny little line that comes when the machine cuts this out, but I just wanted to make sure that it was nice and clean so that when I fold it, it's nice and crisp. And this cutting file will also cut out two little holes. You can just about see them on the video, and it does the same for the paper. So this is super easy to line up. So I'm just using some PVA glue and I'm going to go ahead, line up them two little dots at the top, and then I'm just going to adhere this down. And now I'm folding this pocket. So I folded over the tabs and then I'm just going to go ahead and place that scalloped piece at the top. And this file will also cut out lots of little utensils. So I've got the oven glove here, so I'm just using a little bit of distress ink and a blending brush just to colour this in, and I'm going to be using the same colour on the rolling pin. So the distress ink I've used is Vintage Photo and it's a light brown colour. And next I'm going in with my Spectrum Noir marker pens. So I'm just going to go over these pieces here. You can obviously cut these out in coloured card or paper. I personally find it easier just cutting everything out in white, and then I normally go over it with my distress inks or I use my alcohol markers. So next I'm just finishing up my colouring, and then I'm going to go ahead and adhere that little heart onto the oven glove, and then I'm just placing all the little utensils inside the pocket just to get a rough idea of where they go and how the card looks. And now I'm moving on to the stamping. So my stamps today, they are by La La Land Crafts and it's the Eat More cake. How cute are these? They're so sweet, these little hamsters. So I've got some COPICS friendly cards and I've got my Memento Tuxedo black ink, and then I'm going to be using E50, E51 and E53 to colour in the little hamster. So I've started off just applying the E50, and then I'll go in with my middle colour, which is E51, and then I will darken it up with E53, and then I'll go back over and blend these together. So now my colouring's done, I'm just going to show you how I get in between that awkward white piece. So this is the Gyro-Cut tool. So this is a craft knife that acts like a pen, and I've also got the sticky matte adhesive. So I've just popped this on an old mat, and then I've just got a piece of cloth and I'm just wiping that, and then I'm going to pop my stamped image on top, and then I'm going to go in with this pen or knife, and I'm just going to go in and get them little pieces that are really hard to get with a pair of scissors. So this is a really handy tool, and I'll leave the link down below. So now my images are stamped and coloured, I'm going to go in with the folding banners die. This is La La Land Crafts again. And you'll see here that there's 2 score marks, so when you die cut this it makes like a 3D banner, which I love. I just love this design. I think it's so cute to add to your cards. So I've gone ahead and stamped up the sentiment. My sentiment says whipped up just for you, which is also from the Eat More Cake stamp set. So I thought it would look perfect on this card. So now I'm just going ahead and using my PVA glue just to place them little utensils inside of the pocket of the apron. And then I'm going to go ahead and just adhere this banner down. So the bits you fold, I've added PVA glue to that, and then I've added 2 foam pads onto that side, and then a bit of PVA glue so that it all adheres nicely together. And then I'm just using my foam pads for the 2 little hamsters here. And next I've got some twine. So the 2 little dots that have been cut out on their cameo, I'm just going to go ahead and make a little loop with my twine through each dot so it looks like the string of an apron. You can use ribbon for this too, that would look really pretty. So I'm just securing them down, just tying in a double knot, and then I'm just twisting them round so the knot's actually at the back of the card. And this is the completed card. I think it'd be so fun to send to someone that loves baking. So thank you so much for watching the video today. I will leave everything listed down below in the description box, and if you enjoyed the video, let me know and I'd love for you to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.